everyone, what's up guys, you welcome back to my channel and you welcome back to today's video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a natural homemade Botox. Now this is going to help you to firm up your skin. It is a natural homemade facials that helps to remove pigment, and it also helps to remove fine lines. Now this is an amazing ingredient that works so much onto your skin and it leaves your skin looking super duper young. So if you want to see all of the ingredients, do not forget to give me a like, subscribe and share. Now let me take you right into this video. Okay guys, so for our firming and glow skin Botox, tightening up the skin, we're gonna be needing to use lemon. This is our local lemon though. This is how the color used to be. Sometimes it might be this green. Okay, so we're gonna be needing to use lemon. Now lemon is citric in nature, and as such it helps so much to brighten up the skin. Using it as a natural Botox, as a natural facials at home is ideal because it's going to dry off excessive oil from the skin. It's going to make the skin rejuvenated and it's going to make the skin brighter. Okay, so it's going to also tighten up your pores and it's going to leave your skin looking really young. Okay, so I've actually squeezed in half of this lemon because the lemon right now contains a lot of juice. So I have a lot of juice here. I don't need too much. Okay, so the next ingredients we're going to be making use of is going to be this, and this is potato. Now potato is an amazing ingredient that works so well in brightening up and rejuvenating the skin. It helps the skin glow, it makes the skin brighter, and it makes the skin really smooth. Now potato helps so much for a natural Botox, and when you use potato in the house for facials, it works in clearing up any pimples and pigmentations, leaving your skin smooth like that of a baby. Okay, so after peeling that, I'm gonna be cutting this. And then we are going to be blending it. I'm going to be putting just a little water to enable me blend this so it could be smooth. And now we blend. So after doing that, I'm going to be turning in the potato into the lemon juice. Okay, now time to stir this all up. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be making use of egg. Egg helps so much in tightening up the skin. It helps in rejuvenating and making the skin brighter, and it removes whiteheads and blackheads. Now using it for a natural firming skin is perfect because it tightens up the pores, removing and reducing large and open pores. So we're going to be using just a little bit of this. Just the egg white is basically what I'm going to be needing. So I'm going to be turning in the egg white into this. And then we stir it up. Okay guys, so after stirring and mixing this all up, we're going to equally be needing to use banana. Now banana is a natural moisturizing agent that helps so much in moisturizing the skin, making the skin look smooth, youthful and radiant. Okay, so using it as a natural Botox and using it as a home facials is ideal guys, because it will help in making the skin really soft and really glowing too. So I'm gonna be cutting it in little tiny pieces. And then I would have to be blending it. Okay, so we're done blending. So I just finished blending this and turning it into the treatment, and now it's ready and set. And now we're going to be using it on our face to tighten and glow the skin and firm it all up. Okay, so you're going to be using this at least once or twice in a week. Okay, or you can even increase it to 3 times in a week, because it's actually very mild for the skin and it helps the skin to glow a whole lot. Alright, so this is what you're going to do. You're going to apply it onto your body, onto your face, onto your neck, and then you're going to apply it everywhere. Okay, now this, if you need that soft skin, you would have to apply it onto your body, basically everywhere. If you need that glowing skin, you need this. You tighten it all up, make your skin glow, and remove dead skin cells, rejuvenate your skin, remove age spots. Alright, so after applying it, you would have to at least scrub it all up this way. So you scrub it all up, and then what you do is that you're going to reapply it onto your skin, onto your face, onto your body, and onto your neck. Thus you give it a second coating of application. Okay, now when you finish applying it, well, you're not going to leave it on for too long because it's messy. It's going to be messy. So what you do is that you have to scrub it for at least 1 minute. That's 60 seconds. Scrub everywhere that you apply this treatment for 60 seconds. Okay, after which then you can immediately wash it off. Okay, just like I'm scrubbing right now. After scrubbing like this, then you can immediately wash it off. Okay, and your skin is going to be really soft and smooth. It's going to be really firm and glow. Okay, so that's it. You're going to be using it at least 2 to 3 times in a week, okay, and it's going to help you so much. So that's it, guys. That is actually the natural Botox and natural homemade facials that helps your skin glow and make you look really young. So go give this a try. You can actually apply it onto your body, your hands, your neck, your face, like literally anywhere you want to apply this, and it's actually going to really make your skin glow like magic. So if you do love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.